now, but it's 5:30 already.
Do one of you guys want to give me my shot?
No.
Any interest? You're like, nope.
I don't. You definitely don't want it for me.
You want to try, Javi? Okay. Good morning, guys. Say hi.
Hi. Oh, I'm not there. There you go.
You definitely don't want to get a shot.
Says the doctor. We're gonna make sure there's no air bubbles.
With that needle?
Yeah, this needle. Are you good? Are you alright,
Yeah.
doctor?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to go like probably an angle like that. 1, 2, big.
There you go.
There you go. 1.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
1,
You got this.
3.
So pull back just a little bit, see if there's any blood. Let's getting the angle.
There you go. 1, 2.
All of it. Boom. Thank you. And put the cap on.
Well done.
How to do it? I'll do it faster next time.
Good job.
Yeah,
Well done. He's a
Vivian, shy away.
All right. Our next destination is 9201 West Sunset Boulevard, West Hollywood, California.
Barely see you guys because it's so dark, because it's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's like my camera can barely like focus on your face. You guys ready to get pregnant tonight or what?
Yes.
I am ready.
What did you say? What was that?
What did he say? Legs wider?
He said my legs are wide open.
Oh.
So it's 5:45 a.m.
Yep.
We're driving to West Hollywood.
Traffic looks good.
Traffic looks good. No one else is up this early.
I don't think we can really get this in anyway, but. Okay,
We're being good tourists. Okay. There we are. Look at where we're at.
look at the sign.
Look at the sign.
It says Beverly Sunset Surgical Associates in vitro tech labs.
And go.
December 2nd, 2019, 3.5 years from the first meeting, a year and a half after the egg donation, the process of making 3 embryos, blood, sweat, tears, difficult ethical decisions, endless emails and phone calls with lawyers, counselors, insurance providers, and doctors, contract negotiations, medical insurance issues, deciding on the sex of the embryo, all worth the effort. Today is Implantation Day, el día de la implantación.
You can also like. Here we are. Ready?
We're gonna get a picture, both of you. We're gonna get a real picture.
Just like a spec.
So it's already 2 weeks. Like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 3 different.
You ready to come to me for a little bit?
Okay, you're gonna feel the speculum. Now, this is not a small speculum, so it might be a little uncomfortable, particularly with your bladder. Well, the most important is to see fluid on it. Perfect. Did you take a picture of that?
Got it. I'm gonna take a picture right now. Can you point to the screen to where it implanted?
Give him a little like give him a little.
Now I'm gonna give you.
Bro.
Oh, thank you, Farah.
This is a long time coming.
That's right.
Let's just give them lots of positive energy.
That's goodness. I wish you all the goodness. Okay. Thank you.
So I can sit up. I'm good.
Here, give it like 3 more minutes. I total 5. So it's been 2 or 3 minutes.
If you need 10, we'll take 10.
No,
whatever.
no, it doesn't need. I promise. Yeah.
Next part is there. Yeah. taste that little thing. How you feel?
Good, I feel. It was great, you know.
I would expect.
I'm pregnant. She answers. She's dodging our call.
She never answers the first time, but then she'll call back in like
2 minutes.
10 seconds later.
Hello.
Hey, Mom, how are you?
Hello? I'm good. I just got back from the store. We had freezing rain yesterday. Supposed to get 3 to 6 inches of snow tonight.
Oh, I heard about that. Well,
nice.
You're on speakerphone with Javier and Tahiti. We just finished the procedure of the implantation, and we're driving home.
Great. Oh, yeah. I was thinking this. I sort of had a dream last night. I dreamt that you had twins.
Oh.
That we had twins.
Oh no! Oh no!
Was that a dream or
I
a nightmare?
dreamt you had
A
a
dream
boy
for
and a
some,
girl.
a nightmare for a dream for some, a nightmare
Yeah.
for others, maybe. But yeah,
it's probably a
everything
nightmare to her.
everything went well.
I was going to say, how is she feeling? She just had the procedure done. Is she feeling okay?
Yeah, I feel absolutely normal. Nothing. I mean, it was basically like getting a pap smear. So nothing. The most uncomfortable part was them just pushing on my bladder. But that was
okay.
it. And then so now, like walking away, I feel like I'm carrying like a porcelain egg a little bit. Like but that's more of a mental. It's not like a physical thing.
I was
It's
just going
more.
to say,
Yeah.
Do you remember how big I was when you gave birth to me?
yeah,
How
Kelly was 6 pounds, 6 ounces, and you were 8 pounds, 12 ounces.
Oh,
No, I'm sorry. You were no. You were 7 pounds, 12 ounces. Kelly was 6 pounds, 6 ounces.
are you
So
sure?
712.
I don't
You
think she knows. Tahiti got in. Oh, there was terrible traffic at the airport. Big surprise. And then we picked her up. We got her at like 9:30, I want to say. Didn't get home until like 11. So we got to bed at 12. So we've only had like 4.5 hours of sleep. We're gonna get a breakfast sandwich right now, though, I think.
Yeah.
And maybe
Yeah, I
Javier.
would, and then go home and
I take it. Javier and I. Yeah, we're all thinking maybe we take a nap afterwards.
Yeah.
You know, everyone's been saying congratulations, and we appreciate that. And you know, really, tonight is more about you know, you guys have all been a part of our journey at some point in our lives. We picked you guys up as our friends, some longer than others. But so, in keeping with that, you know, we thought you would want to meet Tahiti and have you guys be part of all this. So. Keep us in your thoughts and prayers for the next 8 days. Keep your fingers crossed for us. Lots of good energy and vibes for us, and we will certainly let you know as soon as we have confirmation. We're happy that you guys have been a part of our journey. Cool. Cheers.
We're making it happen.
I don't know 2 more deserving people to be parents, and I don't know if I would ever do this for anyone else. But I'm really excited to do this for you guys. I'm terrified a little bit, but it's going to take a village to make this baby and a village to raise it, and just the more loving energy around these people and the support for them and supporting their decisions and their journey to be parents and be the best versions of themselves. I'm sure they all really need you guys.
To my villagers.
The other part is when her mom's like screaming at me, let me go! Can't hold it back anymore. Let me go. Let me go. Hi. So sorry, I know I just out of the blue here. So I wanted to just update you guys really quick. Remember how we talked about, so I was going to email Dr. Okawa tomorrow to ask him like if he could order the blood test, right? My general doctor. Email him and say, hey, like I had taken a pregnancy test at home. It came back inconclusive. Can you please order a blood test, right? So you and I discussed that to try to get him to do that. So I thought, like, well, why don't I go and actually try to take a test? It's super early, but at least I'm not lying when I say that I tried to take a test or whatever, So I have taken 2 pregnancy tests, and